To fix the PayPal error, this organization is currently ineligible to receive donations. You need to understand the cause of the issue. This error usually occurs when your PayPal account is not verified or when your organization is not eligible to receive donations. First, verify your PayPal account by confirming your email address and linking a bank account or credit card. This will help PayPal confirm your identity and increase the security of your account. Next, ensure your organization is eligible to receive donations by checking PayPal's list of prohibited organizations and activities. If your organization is not on the list, you can proceed to the next step. Update your PayPal account information to reflect your organization's name and address. This information should match the information on your organization's website and other official documents. Contact PayPal customer support to request a review of your account. Provide them with any necessary documentation such as your organization's tax ID number or proof of nonprofit status. PayPal will review your account and determine if you are eligible to receive donations. If you are eligible, they will remove the restriction and you can start receiving donations. It is also important to note that PayPal has specific requirements for nonprofit organizations. You may need to provide additional documentation such as a letter from the IRS confirming your tax exempt status. By following these steps, you can resolve the PayPal error and start receiving donations for your organization. Remember to always follow PayPal's guidelines and terms of service to avoid any issues with your account. Regularly review and update your PayPal account information to ensure you remain eligible to receive donations. This will help you avoid any issues in the future and ensure that you can continue to receive donations from supporters.